Experience, knowledge, service, independence. All traits you look for when choosing a partner to help build or upgrade your poultry houses. Chore-Time Distributors are veterans when it comes to designing, installing, and servicing poultry production systems. We know the issues that growers face every day and provide equipment that keeps poultry operations running smoothly. Chore-Time Distributors ask the right questions to provide smart solutions. We have knowledge and insights built on years of poultry experience and Chore-Time training. Chore-Time Distributors bring knowledge and experience directly to you, providing durable poultry equipment and reliable results. Our dedicated parts and service technicians respond to your needs, days, nights, and weekends. Chore-Time Distributors are independent businesses that work longer and harder to serve your poultry equipment needs. With all that, and great products too, it's no wonder more poultry growers choose Chore-Time as their preferred brand. Find your independent authorized Chore-Time distributor at choretime.com. Let's grow together.